This 2026 Highland Ridge Open Range CONV 260B is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Highland Ridge is 26 feet 0 inches in length and features smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, leveling jacks, microwave, stovetop burner, oven, LP detector, refrigerator, air conditioning, awning. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.